Welcome to my channel. How to update router firmware. Here is how to update the firmware of router. First, using any of the preferred browser, visit here is how to update the firmware of router. Second, log in with username and password using admin and password if using the default. Third, go to router settings and advanced and administration in it. Fourth, there is an option for a firmware update or router update. Select this option. Fifth, check for updates, and then the router will check for them. If an update is available, you will be prompted to download it. Sixth, start the download for updating your router, and don't interrupt the process. Don't close the browser or perform any task that may get in between the process. Seventh, once the update is finished, which will take 5 to 10 minutes, the router will restart. Thanks for watching.